Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to be doing my October TBR. So without further ado, let's get started. So for October I have some pending reads from September which I don't want to discuss. So I just want to make this month a little bit minimal. I just want to read some 3 to 4 books which are new, and I just want to complete all the pending reads which I had in the month of September and some from the month of August. So let's see what the first book is. So the very first book which I wanted to read for a very long time, I think I got this book in the month of May, and I planned to put this in some TBR but I couldn't. So this is the 11 Minutes by Paulo Coelho. So after I read The Alchemist by him, I wanted to read this book very badly because I think this book has a different story and I really wanted to read about it. So this is a story of Maria, a young Brazilian girl convinced from an early age that she will never find true love. So this is love story between a sex worker and I think a painter named Rio. So I really wanted to read this book because I've seen a lot of good reviews about this book, and I think after Alchemist this was the most recommended book by many booktubers and bookstagrammers. So quite excited to read this one. Next book which I picked for the October month is The Kabul Beauty School. The Kabul Beauty School. So I got this book for one reason, because of Kabul, because I wanted to read about women in Afghanistan and Pakistan suffering, and who really want to get empowered and who really want to come out and live their lives independently. I think this is a story about 5 women who meet at the beauty shop. I'm not sure of the blurb. So it says one little beauty salon, a community of women comes together. So I'm very excited to read about this because it has women in it. I'm quite intrigued to read about the cute things the women share, and the struggles they share, and how they come up and how they come out. So I think there are 4 characters: Debbie, Meena, Rosanna and Nadia. So let's see how the story goes, and for every book I read I'll be posting a review on my Instagram page. So if you're not following me there, please do follow there. So moving on to the next book, we have The Kite Runner by Khaled Hosseini. So this is how the cover page looks. So after I read A Thousand Splendid Suns by him, I wanted to read all of his sub-books, and later I found out that this is his debut novel. So I wanted to pick it up immediately, and I got it for 200 rupees from a second-hand store online. So I was really happy that I got this book for a second-hand range, because nowadays I don't know why, because I am loving second-hand books which are not very dirty and which are not very used. So I wanted to buy those books, which saves me money. At the same time, I think those books have some story to tell us. So I'm really obsessed with those kind of books right now, but I was a person who always liked new books. So this Kite Runner, I think many of you would have read this book, but this is a fantastic story. I don't want to read the blurb now because I am going to start this after 2-3 days before I finish the current read, Shopaholic and Baby by Sophie Kinsella. So I want to read this book completely because I'm enjoying the book. It's a very fast-paced humor book. So I want to finish this and then move on to this one, because I really like Khaled Hosseini's writings. So if I read the blurb, I know what the story is about a little bit, but I'm not sure of the complete story. So if I read the blurb, I will drop the Sophie Kinsella's book and move on to this one. So I don't want to read the blurb. So if I finish all of these books in the month of October, hopefully I will select the book Namesake as my 4th book, because I have 2 more book mails to show you guys. So I think if I kind of complete all of my books, I will move on to the Namesake, because I want to give this book my complete attention and my complete time, because I've heard a whole lot of good reviews about this book. So I want to read this book separately, because I read multiple books at the same time so that I don't get bored. So I want to read this book separately. Next are book mails, which I will be getting in 2-3 days. So I have 2 book mails to be reading in October. One is The Diary of My Love. So this is a new release, I think the author's debut novel. This is written by, I'll be specifying that on my screen somewhere, And the second book is by Preeti Shenoy, the book called Love Called Coming. So I'm excited to read these two books because these two books are basically love stories, and the first book, The Diary of My Love, had a very interesting blurb. So I'm very excited to actually receive it because it is getting released on the 12th of October. So I think I'll be getting it within 15th October, I hope so. And Preeti Shenoy's book, I've heard a lot of good reviews about her writings, so I think I'll be enjoying the Love Called Coming, I guess that's the book's name. That's the book name, I guess. And these two books are very affordable because I got them for 150 rupees, below 150 rupees. So if you want to try out Indian authors and affordable price, then you can check out Preeti Shenoy's books as well as Ravindra Singh's book and Durjoy Datta's book. So that's why I didn't pick any romance novels or love story novels for this month, because I have these two book mails coming up, so I'll be reading those two. So hopefully if I finish all of these in the month of October, I'll be letting you know my wrap up in the November month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, and give this video a thumbs up as well, and post your comments on my comment section below. And if you have read any one of these books, please do post that on my comments, and we will discuss about the books. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts on my Instagram page if you find the review helpful, and do follow me there if you haven't. So that's all for today's video, guys. I'll be meeting you all in my next video. Till then, stay tuned and bye bye.